In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create poll in Webex. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you've already joined your meeting. This is important because the polling feature is accessed from inside the live meeting window. Once you're in, take a moment to look over the meeting controls so you can easily follow along. On the meeting screen, head down to the bottom right corner. Near the chat panel icon, you'll see a three-dot menu for more options. Click on that menu and then choose Slido, which is labeled as Poll and Q&A. This is the tool Webex uses to create interactive polls during meetings, and it's a simple way to engage participants and gather quick feedback in real time. When the Slido panel opens, click Add. You'll then see several poll categories to choose from, including multiple choice, word cloud, open text, ideas, ranking, rating, quiz, and survey. For this example, we're going to use multiple choice, since it's one of the most common and easiest poll types to set up. Next, type in your question first. Make sure your question is clear and specific so participants know exactly what they're responding to. After that, enter option 1 and option 2. If you need more answer choices, you can add them by clicking Add option. This is helpful if your question has several possible responses, but try to keep the list focused so the poll stays easy to answer. Once everything looks good, review the question and answer options one more time for accuracy. When you're ready to share it with everyone in the meeting, click Launch. Your poll will then go live, and participants can begin responding right away. And that's how to create a poll in Webex quickly and easily during a meeting.